let me show you how you can split the shape half in Affinity. So here I am, I got two different shapes, and I also prefer two methods. So the first one is the one using another shape. So I could just simply draw something simple like a rectangle, and then just be sure it's covering half of that original shape. If you got snapping on, here this little magnet icon, it should snap exactly to the middle of another shape. In this case, you could just select both, head to your shape builder tool here on the left in the tool panel, shape builder tool, and with this you can use this create new shape. So it's plus, minus, or create brand new shape, and then you just click on the right and you got a brand new shape out of the half. And I could do the same thing, select both, click on the left, and there will be a brand new shape of the left side. You can delete unnecessary shapes, and this way we splitted this circle into two. All right, what if your split is not even like that? You got some kind of freestyle split. In that case, we can simply use a pencil or pen tool to draw your split first. So just make a single line like that. All right, and with line like this, we can actually use the shape builder tool as well. So we don't need a full shape for that. So select both, shape builder tool, and take a look. It's detecting both sides separately, so that's nice. Remember to switch from plus, minus to the last option, create new shape. Then you just click, and that's a new shape. Select both. We can turn on auto cleanup here. All unused geometry will be cleaned up. I click on the left side. All right, and I got both. That's nice. There is also one more way, the official way, but before that, let me show you why this way is a bit better. Because we got this line before we cut, we can modify the line with the node tool. We can make all of the adjustment to make this line, this split, perfect as we wish. All right. But if you use the official knife tool, that's also possible. So let's say I draw a shape like that. And now I just grab the knife tool from the tool list. Knife tool may be hidden and grouped together with the pencil tool. After you select the knife, be sure the shape is selected. This tool will allow you to cut through shapes. So start outside the shape, go through. After you release your mouse, you will see your shape is now divided into two. What is the problem? The problem is you need to have this perfect stroke straight away. So if I can make any mistake here, I will need to keep trying again and again to make this perfect split. So if you don't care about that, you can use knife tool to cut through any shape you want. But if you need a certain cut, it's better to use pen or pencil tool first. So I can make the line first. I can adjust the line. I can make any small changes before I commit to that. And then with the perfect line, I can select both. Using shape builder tool, I can create two new shapes. It's a bit longer, but it gives us greater control. All right, so now you know 3 different ways of dividing shapes in Affinity. You can use another shape. We can use any kind of line, or you can use the default knife tool, but you need to be really precise with that, because after you use it, it's done. After you make your cut, it's splitted based on that manual precision. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next one.